Welcome to our air fryer comparison video. In today's video, we'll be comparing the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer with a traditional air fryer. We'll be evaluating these products based on their functionality, cooking capabilities, cleaning ease, and price. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest product reviews and comparisons. The Chefman TurboFry Touch air fryer comes with an advanced digital display, an extra-large viewing window, and a bright interior light that lets you monitor food without opening the air fryer. On the other hand, the traditional air fryer has a manual dial, and while it's easy to use, it doesn't offer the same level of precision as the Chefman model. The Chefman TurboFry Touch has one-touch cooking presets that allow you to fry French fries, fried chicken, meat, and fish. The traditional air fryer has an adjustable dial that lets you cook a variety of meals including vegetables, chips, chicken, and cakes. Both models can cook food with little to no oil. The Chefman TurboFry Touch comes with a dishwasher-safe inner basket and removable tray for easy cleaning. The traditional air fryer also has a removable basket that requires only a simple hand wash to clean. Both models have easy-to-clean interiors that don't require any special tools or techniques. The Chefman TurboFry Touch air fryer costs $129, whereas the traditional air fryer costs $122. While the Chefman model is slightly more expensive, it has more advanced features and capabilities that justify the higher price tag. That concludes our air fryer comparison video. We hope you found this video helpful in deciding which air fryer is the best for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons in the future. Thank you for watching.